How to construct a crystal grid for love. That's what I'm talking about today. Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm coming out of Aradia's closet to help you create, cultivate, and live a more magical life. Hello, my beautiful friends. Thanks again for joining me today. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Tanya. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. The crystals used to construct the grid are based upon the energies of the individual crystals. The grid combines and focuses these unique energies. You are going to construct an Ashoka chakra grid to symbolize love. When selecting a place to leave your grid, consider a place where a sun-loving plant would prosper and bloom. To construct a crystal grid for love, you will need 1 rhodochrosite, you will need 12 aquamarines, and you will need 12 tumbled rose quartz. The rhodochrosite will be used as the focus stone to collect the energy and channel it through the grid. Next, the 12 aquamarine will be used as the waystones to amplify and further shape the energy. Finally, the 12 tumbled rose quartz give the energy its final shaping and tune it to the desired outcome. To activate your grid, sit and quiet yourself. When you are ready, channel universal energy into the focus stone. Then follow that energy into the waystones and finally into the desire stones. Each time you walk past the grid, take a moment to quiet yourself and send universal energy through the grid. You can leave the grid out for a certain period of time, for example, from full moon to full moon, or until the desired outcome has been achieved. Thanks for tuning in. If you find this information useful, I invite you to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And remember, the hardest part is getting started.